Here's Nico's monster truck collection he wants to show you. Here's El Toro Loco, Annihilator, Maximum Destruction, Scarlet Bandit, 199 truck, Screaming Demon, Instigator, Black Stallion, Cavern Crusher, Heartbreaker, Bone Shacker, and Superman. Gunslinger, Reptoid, Crazy Train, Grinder, Oil Shock Therapy, Mohawk Warrior with its little Mohawk, Monster Dalmatian, Bad News Travels Fast, Gravedigger, his other Gravedigger, War Wizard, Batman, Prowler, Cutting Corners, Crawders, Hot Wheels, the new version, his other Hot Wheels, the new version, Bounty Hunter, Maximum Destruction, Dirty version, and new version, Maximum Destruction, old version. Now here he wants to show you his race. Go. Seems like Spider-Man won. Iron Man lost. Now, here's his Boneyard Bash. Now he wants to show you this little lever here. And well, that's one thing too. Now he's gonna show you this part right over here. See, there's a little skeleton there. This thing says, the lever says, rest in peace, or RIP, Maximum Destruction. And here, this one says, rest in peace, Captain's Curse, or RIP. So that's his monster truck collection. And what do you want to say? Anything good, Zig? Any good stuff?
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And hope you had fun watching our video. Bye.